Now the time don reach make we set up our system wey go fit help us start dey write our Python code. The first thing wey you need to do to start writing your Python code be say you need to come to dis site wey dey call python.org/downloads. Den under dis site, dis one go allow you make you download the latest Python for your computer. And the latest Python wey we get, the Python package wey we get now na Python 3.13. So you fit just go ahead and install dis latest Python for Windows. But if you dey use Linux or Mac OS, you fit just click either of dis links to download the package. So since I dey use Windows operating system, I go just click on dis button. So once I click dis button, e go start dey download the application for me. And the application be dis. But since I don get the application, I no go wan re-download am again. I already install am on my system. But na how you fit take download the Python interpreter be dis. Now once you download the Python interpreter, the next thing wey I go want make you get na VS Code. So dis VS Code editor na im go allow us make we dey write code. Na the environment or the area wey we go dey write our code be dat. So na so e be too. So you fit just download am here. Once you click download for Windows, dis one go allow you make you download the VS Code for your computer. And if you dey use Linux or Mac OS, you fit come dis option wey say other platforms here to take download the application for you, so dat you go get the VS Code for your computer too. So once I click am, see where e carry me come. So the download go start automatically. If e no start, I fit just click on dis link. So I go pause am too because I don already get am for my system already. So once we don install dis two things, dat one na im dey very important. Now once you don download the Python for your system, e no hard, just follow the instruction wey dey for your screen and just dey click next until you install am finish. So once you install am finish, you fit open your PowerShell wey dey for your computer. You just search for PowerShell for your computer, then launch the PowerShell. So me I already get my own PowerShell, na im be dis Windows PowerShell. So once I open the PowerShell now, we go check whether Python don install or not. For you to check if Python don dey install for your computer, wetin you go just type na Python then version. Im go show you the recent version of Python wey you get installed for your computer. So for my own, the one wey I get installed na Python 3.12.1. Your own fit be Python 3.13.1, which be the latest version of Python depending on when you install am for your system. And another thing you fit do again be say you fit just type Python, then click on enter. Dis one go give you the Python interpreter. E go show say yes, the Python dey work well well for your computer. Make we do one or two things, just like 2+2 for the Python interpreter and see wetin go happen. Yes, Python dey work. So na how you fit take install your Python be dat, and how you fit take check if your Python dey work very well for your computer. Now the next thing na make we check our VS Code wey we don install. So na my own VS Code be dis wey I don install for my system. Dis one na just one of the project wey I dey work on. So you fit press continue. Na so your VS Code go just be like once you install your VS Code for your system. Now one thing wey dey very important wey I wan make you install na wetin dey under ex ten sion. Once you carry your mouse rather come dis place, or you press Ctrl+Shift+X for your window, e go open the ex ten sion for you. Then look for something they call the Python pack. Now the Python extension pack be dis. So just try to make sure say you install dis Python extension pack for your computer. Dis one go help you make you use all Python codes, and go even give you something wey dey call IntelliSense, which mean say when you dey type, some suggestions go come up wey you fit select work with. So na good ex ten sion wey you go need to get for your VS Code be dis. So na the basic setup wey we wan discuss about. As we continue, more setup fit come in when we dey talk one after the other, but for now make we stop am here. So I go meet you for the next lesson when we go start dey write our first code.